Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Shadashiro. Today's session we are going to learn life cycle of thread. Now, see this picture. There is a different. There are the different stages are there. One is the newborn state and the ready state, the running state, and the dead state. If you are going to here waiting state and the sleeping state. See, now I am going to discuss about newborn state. Whenever we are creating a thread, it is in the newborn state. For example, thread T1 is equal to new thread. It is in the newborn state. In the newborn state, the thread object is created, occupies memory, but is inactive. In the above statement to T1, in the above statement, T thread is created, but it is not eligible for the microprocessor times as it's an inactive. To make the thread active, call start method on the thread object as a t dot start. This makes the thread active and now eligible for the processor time slices. This state can be compared with the start method of applets. If you see this example, I am creating a main thread t is equal to new thread. Now it is an inactive state. Whenever this is a newborn state, whenever we are calling the t dot start, whenever we are calling the t dot start, it's going to the ready at runnable state. Now, next I am going to discuss about runnable state. When the thread is active, the first and foremost job it does implicitly it calling the run method. When the thread is executing the run method, we say the thread is in runnable state. As it is a callback method, all the code expected to run by the thread should be written here. In this state, the thread is active. This state can be compared to the paint method for applet. For example, if you go with the applets, this is going to paint method. See, this is an ready or runnable state. Whenever we are calling the start method, depends upon the thread scheduling, it's going to running state. Now I am going to discuss about running state. When the thread is active, the first and foremost job is does implicitly is calling run method. When the thread is executing the run method, we say the thread is in runnable state. As it is callable callback method, all the code expected to the run by the thread should be written here. In this state, this thread is active. This state is can be accomplished to the compared to the paint method in the applets. Next, blocked state. Blocked state means waiting state or sleeping state. The programmer can make say running the thread to be becomes inactive temporarily for some period. In this period, the thread is said to be a in blocked state. The blocked state thread is an inactive. It is not eligible to the processor time. This thread can be brought back to the runnable state at that any time. A thread can goes to number of times from runnable state to blocked state and vice versa in its life cycle. This state can be compared with the stop method of applets. Whenever we are calling the join method or sleep method or wait method, the thread is going to blocked state. Next, I am going to discuss about dead state. When the execution of run method is over, as the job it is meant is done, it is brought to dead state. It is done implicitly by JVM. In dead state, the thread object is garbage collected. It is the end of the life cycle of thread. Once a thread is removed, it cannot be restarted again. This state can be compared with the destroy method of an applet. Whenever completion of the run method, it's going to the dead state. A thread can be killed and brought to the dead state anytime from any state by calling explicitly stop method. Number of phase thread can be brought to the blocked state. A normal running thread can be brought a number of ways into a blocked state listed here under. By calling the sleep method, it's going to a blocked state. If you're calling the suspend method or wait method, it's going to the blocked state. When an IO operation is performed, the thread is implicitly blocked by the JVM. What is the illegal state of an exception? This exception is thrown when you are trying to start the thread which is already started. More in that situation, we are getting the illegal state of an exception. See, already T is started. We are trying to start the T method T dot start. It gives the illegal state. Finally, a thread has a four states. One is the newborn state, and another one is the ready or runnable state, and another one is running state and dead state, and one more is the blocked state. Whenever a thread object is created, it's going to a newborn state. Whenever we are calling the T dot start method, it's going to runnable state. Depending upon thread scheduler, it's going to running state. After that run method is completed, it's going to dead stage. While running the thread, whenever we are calling wait method or sleep method or join method, it's going to blocked state. See, for example, if you are calling the join method, it's going a waiting state. If whenever we are calling the sleep method, it's also going to waiting state. Whenever you are calling the wait method, it's going to also waiting state. Whenever you are calling the suspend method, it's also going to a blocked state or waiting state.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.